Hello everyone, today we are here with Yash Nitin from Maharashtra who have been successfully admitted in University Tauragata, Rome, Italy for Masters in Business Administration. So, Yash, tell me something about yourself first.
Hello sir, it's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So my name is Yash Nitin Godke. I belong from Nasik, Maharashtra. Currently I am pursuing my final year in Bachelor's of Commerce. Then I have been doing my work with Kia Motors as my area of interest was in automobile section. So I choose something related to automobile business like sales, management. This was my core interest.
Exactly.
So I did some research about it.
Okay.
Then my area of interest began in doing masters in that. So how to pursue masters and how to do masters. So I chose first Indian colleges, then I came across Italy, then various universities. So then I started searching for it.
So you've done some lots of research about universities and courses along with countries.
Exactly.
So how did you know about Italy?
Exactly. While doing my research, I came across Canada, then USA, Germany, and one time Italy.
Okay.
Then certainly while watching videos or getting information from websites and all the things, so I came to know that there are some scholarships given in Italy which are fully funded, which was a mesmerizing thing for me.
Exactly. That scholarship what will cover?
The scholarship will cover tuition fee waiver, then accommodation, free meals are given.
Yes.
So this is all provided by Italian government. Firstly, I thought it's fake. Truly, I thought it's fake.
Yes.
But doing after a lot of research, I came across your videos. So it gave me motivation, it gave me clarity also ki yes, it is true and it is given by the Italian government.
Exactly.
And secondly, choosing Italy because world ranking university comes under Italy. So my university is University of Tor Vergata, where I have got admitted in the course of Master in Science in Business Administration. So likewise, fully funded scholarship is also provided in that university, which would cover my expenses, hostel accommodation, and meals also.
So your entire study will be completely free.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So you are excited or not?
I'm totally excited. I'm down for it.
All right. So my next question is, how did you find that particular university, and tell me something about the university and that course. What is the future opportunities that you can grab after pursuing your MBA from University Tauragata? Because let's see, because we have so many students who belongs to India, they are preparing for MBA from IIM, right? But they are not aware about such a prestigious institution which are based in abroad. So tell me something about the university. Those who are looking for IIM, but they are unable to qualify that exam, they should grab an opportunity for that.
First of all, the huge difference is that prestigious universities are there. There is a big difference in education quality also.
Exactly.
So quality of education is more practical based over there and a bit theory based over here. So, and second thing is that there are lots of exams you have to give.
Exactly.
For clearing for IIMs or any big MBA institutions. Then secondly, while pursuing my abroad university, as I contacted you, you guided me well about everything. So without giving any exam or additional any examination, I qualified due to on my CGPAs.
CGPA and strong academic profile, I can say.
Okay. Yes. So that helped me a lot.
Exactly.
So there was no such burden of any exams or anything like that.
Right.
So it gave me another motivation that I can do better to build my profile, to get various kinds of opportunity over there. Like Italy is a growing country, its economy is growing day by day. So there are lots of opportunity, and like I said earlier, my area of interest is automobile brands. So most of the automobile brand like Lamborghini, Bugatti, Ferrari, Pagani, every headquarters is situated in Italy. So it's my dream job to work with them.
Exactly. स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट हैं जो कैट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, बट आपको भी ये पता है कि इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन कितनी ज्यादा ह्यूज, डेली बेसिस पे इंक्रीज हो रही पॉपुलेशन, जिसके कारण कंपटीशन एक्सट्रीमली हाई हो गया है, राइट? 90 परसेंटाइल 95 परसेंटाइल में भी एडमिशन लेना इम्पॉसिबल होता जा रहा है डे बाय डे आईआईएम्स में। एंड जो क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन आपको इटली में मिलेगा, राइट, आईआईएम में भी मिलता है, आई एम कंप्लीटली एग्री विथ यू, बट क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन आपको इटली की जो यूनिवर्सिटीज है वहां से जो मिलेगा, दैट इज बियॉन्ड द एक्सपेक्टेशंस, राइट? So my next question is about assistance. What kind of assistance that we are providing to you, and how did you know that?
It's totally amazing. So far my experience and journey with you, it's totally amazing. Means क्या बताऊँ मैं अभी और कि जैसे ही आपसे पहले बात हुई थी मेरी in I guess in the month of Feb. So you guided me well over telephonic conversation. Then उसके बाद जैसे ही वीज़ा प्रोसेस नहीं, अपना एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हुआ था, देन एप्लीकेशन लेटर ड्राफ्टिंग, SOPs, LORs, ये सब में आपने बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया, सो इट वाज रियली गुड। एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से एड ऑन दैट सर इज सो genuine about his work that whenever you text him or you call him, he'll immediately give you a reply, and that's the best thing he does. So इसके बेस के ऊपर ही बहुत सारे डाउट्स मेरे क्लियर हो गए, एंड मैंने आई गेस मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया जो सर को तंग करता होगा डाउट्स पूछ के, ये भी सही है।
नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं है। एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि सबको असिस्टेंस की नीड होती है, रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, तो टाइम पे फुलफिल यदि हो जाती है तो बेस्ट पार्ट।
एग्जैक्टली, प्रॉपर नॉलेज अगर गाइडेंस हो टाइम पे मिल गया तो वो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट नहीं होता।
एग्जैक्टली आपकी प्रोसेस भी स्मूथ चलती है, एडमिशन भी जल्दी आता है।
यस, तो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज मुझे मिली सर से।
एग्जैक्टली। सो बेसिकली ये स्कॉलरशिप के क्राइटेरिया क्या होते हैं, आपको अभी तक नॉलेज हुई गया होगा। एज ए स्टूडेंट यू हैव डन लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च, राइट? सो लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट आर द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर स्कॉलरशिप. सो लेट अस क्लियर अबाउट दैट.
Okay, so there are basically two scholarships. One is need-based scholarship, another is merit-based scholarship.
Yes.
But mostly Indian students are pursued to need-based scholarship.
Exactly.
So need-based scholarship, there you have to fulfill three criteria that are three certificates. First is our income certificate, family income certificate.
Exactly.
Second is property certificate within certain criteria.
Exactly.
And third is your bank statement.
Bank statement.
Or bank certificate.
Exactly.
Which you need to be fulfilled.
Yes.
So उसके ऊपर से फिर रैंकिंग वगैरह
जनरेट होती है
और स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड होती है।
करेक्ट है। सो बेसिकली जो फर्स्ट स्कॉलरशिप यस ने बताया वो होती है नीड बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप, जो कि आपके फैमिली इनकम के बेसिस पे आपको प्रोवाइड की जाती है, एंड द क्राइटेरिया शुड बी अंडर यूरो 23,000. So if we'll convert this much amount into rupees, so it will around 15 to 16 lakh rupees something. If you belong to that particular criteria, you will definitely get this scholarship with fully funded. Your entire duration of study will be completely free. So you should also grab an opportunity, student. Be hurry and just give me some opinion about yourself to the student. What is your opinion about studying in Italy?
Actually, students should grab this opportunity. I should say that just because of the university rankings are world class.
Exactly.
And everything, the quality of education. Italy is a growing economic country. You are getting a Schengen visa, which is the best part of it. That 26 countries you can explore for job opportunities. So job market is huger, and it's bigger than US just because of 26 countries are competing with US. So that's a big thing for that.
Yes, definitely he is right. And what are the internship opportunity and job opportunities?
Well, like I said कि जब मैंने टॉर वर्गाता का एक इंटरनेशनल डे हुआ था,
Exactly.
जो मैंने अटेंड किया था
2 दिन पहले ही आपने अटेंड किया, राइट?
Exactly.
Yes.
So उसमें बताया गया था कि वेरियस इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी गई है, जिसमें आप while studying आप you can do internships with various companies.
Yes.
जो रिसर्च में भी आपको मदद करेंगे एंड आपकी प्रोफाइल स्ट्रॉन्ग करने में भी आपकी मदद करेंगे थ्रू प्रोफेसर्स. जो प्रोफेसर्स आपको असिस्टेंस करेंगे कि आप किस फील्ड में अच्छे हो, योर कोर एरिया क्या है, आपका कोर एरिया पॉलिश करके दे विल गिव यू बेस्ट ऑफ यू.
Exactly.
एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग. एंड एज आई सेड कि मैंने वो इंटरव्यू अटेंड किया, द प्रोफेसर्स ओवर देयर आर सो हम्बल. दे actually while doing the interview, questions were putting on in the chat box, and they were answering questions while stopping the presentation. So that was the best thing of the professors.
Yes. दे आर वेरी फ्रैंक, राइट? लाइक इंडिया में ऐसा बहुत ही कम यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेजेस में ऐसा होता है
एग्जैक्टली
कि आप लाइक क्लासरूम में भी आप क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो आपको बोलते हैं सिट डाउन, राइट? ऐसा होता है यार, देखा है मैंने, सुना भी होगा आपने बहुत सारे। ये रिमर्स नहीं है एक्चुअल में, ये ट्रूथ है। ये क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन की ही बात होती है कि आप जब एक हाईली रैंक यूनिवर्सिटी से आप स्टडी करते हैं तो आगे जो प्रोफेसर्स होते हैं बहुत पोलाइट होते हैं, बहुत ही हम्बल होते हैं, बहुत ही कोऑपरेटिव होते हैं। आई कैन से आपको हर आंसर देंगे, हर एक क्वेश्चन का, स्मॉल मिस्टेक्स, स्मॉल क्वेरीज, हर क्वेश्चन का वो आंसर देते हैं। प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड टीचिंग होती है, टोटली प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड टीचिंग, राइट? सो grab an opportunity and start your process as soon as possible, right? And any message that you want to drop for the student? Any last message?
Students, just hurry up, grab your opportunity,
Yes.
and सर से जल्द कांटेक्ट कीजिए. You will get each and every detail information you want. कुछ भी क्यूरी हो, सर को रात को भी मैंने टेक्स्ट किया है, सर ने याद आया है, and sir is always there for me. So thank you so much, sir, for this assistance and this
Thank you.
every journey so far.